Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see Bitcoin address on Zengo Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Zengo Wallet right over here, scan your Face ID, and then tap on this option of settings at the bottom. Now you will be at the home. Go ahead, scroll, tap on this option of receive, tap on your Bitcoin given right over here. You will be able to check out your address over there. Tap on this copy option. You will be able to copy it, and then you will be able to simply share it to the people for you to receive the Bitcoin to your address right away like that. So that is a simple method. Just come over here, choose your Bitcoin, tap on this copy icon, or you can check out the QR as well by tapping on it, and that is it. So that's how you can do it, everybody. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.